The study of the moon and other planetary bodies has always involved sending large, heavy crafts. But Mangalyaan proved that a lighter, more precise exploration system could still deliver incredible results. Designed to operate in Mars' harsh environment with minimal resources, the orbiter successfully navigated through treacherous terrain, something many earlier, more expensive missions had struggled with. To understand why this is a big deal, we need historical context. Historically, even moon landings were difficult to execute. Only about 43% of lunar landings have been successful, and that's on a body much closer than Mars. Past lunar missions were limited in their landing accuracy, largely due to the primitive technology and the unpredictable lunar environment. Now, transpose that challenge to Mars, over 200 million kilometers away. Yet Mangalyaan managed to not only enter orbit successfully on its first try, but also deliver a stream of high-quality images that stunned scientists worldwide. Among the most iconic images captured were full-disk views of Mars, showing entire hemispheres in vibrant detail. These weren't just pretty pictures, they were windows into Mars's climate, geography, and atmospheric behavior. You could see giant dust storms curling around the planet's equator, polar ice caps glinting in sunlight, and ancient impact basins revealing the violent history of the red planet. The Mars Color Camera, MCC, aboard Mangalyaan became a standout feature of the mission. This relatively simple camera exceeded expectations by capturing over 1,100 stunning visuals, many of which were released to the public and used by educators, researchers, and space enthusiasts alike. Some of these images were used in international conferences and even by NASA for cross-referencing. What stood out most was how the camera's quality held up over time. Despite being exposed to radiation and temperature extremes, it continued functioning reliably far beyond its designed mission life. The level of detail in some surface photos even revealed geological layering in canyon walls, clues to Mars' ancient environmental conditions. Researchers from ISRO and collaborators at Infinity Beyond studied these photos to identify regions that showed signs of water activity, volcanic formations, and seasonal variations in surface brightness. This helped refine Mars' climatological models and even assisted future missions in choosing safe and scientifically rich landing sites. Through Mangalyaan's eye, Mars became more familiar, more textured, and less mythical. It was no longer just a red dot in the sky. It was a living, evolving world. And India had given the world that vision. This mission not only pushed technological boundaries, but redefined the emotional connection between humanity and Mars. People across India and the world followed each image release with wonder and pride. It wasn't just a scientific achievement, it was art, inspiration, and a testament to the beauty of exploration. What started as a budget mission had now become a visual ambassador of Mars to Earth, and Infinity Beyond continues to celebrate that legacy.